Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a play button with a credits GUI inside of it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to insert a screen GUI into Starter GUI and name it Start Screen. Okay? You can name it whatever you want actually, but just name it something other than Screen GUI, otherwise you may mess up something. So, what you want to insert into that is you want to insert a frame. And what I do normally is, a lot of people don't know this. If you go and click on the little plus next to the frame and type in UI, you'll see UI corner. And if you click that, you can add a corner onto your UI, which I think is pretty cool. Like that, yeah, that's pretty cool that you can, add a corner to your thing or whatever. So you can literally make it a perfect circle if you want. I'm not gonna make it a perfect circle because that's not what this GUI is. So yeah, but you can see here it does look pretty nice looking at this instead of a disgusting old square, because those they're not fun to look at. We all know that. And I think that having it like this will definitely draw a little more attention. So, what you want to do is insert two text buttons, okay? Two text buttons. You name one text button Play. So one will be named Play. And make sure you customize that one. So I'm just gonna make it. I'm gonna move that. Okay, I'm gonna make it with a. I'm really just looking for a cool font to use right now. Okay, there we go. It'll work. I mean, it's not the best, but it'll work. And then you're gonna want to position the button wherever you would like. I'm actually going to make the background a different color because I feel like it. Let's do blue. Blue and then white text. Just so it looks nice, you know what I mean? Perfect. Okay, and you're going to want to do the same thing with the other button. Make it look super nice. It doesn't need to be the same. In fact, I'm gonna delete that and just copy this so they have somewhat of the same design, and then just grab this one and change the text to credits, and boom, there you go, got the GUI without the script. That's literally the GUI right there. I'm just gonna center it so it doesn't look stupid, because, well, so yeah, there you go. It looks super nice, but make sure you do name the actual buttons to Play and Credits. There you go. There you go. And now what you want to do is you want to click Frame. And you want to insert a local script. Don't you do a regular script, that will not work. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to do our variables first. So we're going to do local frame equals script dot parent, local credits equals script dot, actually we can do local credits equals frame dot credits, not changed. And we can do the same with the play button. Local play equals frame dot play. Keep typing wrong. Okay, there we go. That's all we have to do for now. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do play dot mouse button one connect. So connect, and then we're going to put a function right there, and then we're going to do frame dot visible equals false. So you cannot see it. It is impossible to see. And for credits, I'm going to do credits. Same thing. Mouse button 1 up. And we're going to do connect. So colon connect again. And then function. Make sure you spell it right. Okay, and then you're just going to add 2 parentheses like that. Just like the last one. And then we're going to do frame dot visible equals false. But we're going to stop there. Okay, because what we need to do now is I'm going to set this frame to visible. Or invisible, I should say. No, it's not visible. And I'm going to add another frame. Okay. Okay, and if it will let me touch this frame, will it be nice enough to let me touch the frame? It will be. Okay, awesome. And do the same thing with this one, just make it look however you would like. I'm going to make it a little blue this time. I am going to add slight transparency to it as well. And I will also add a UI corner to this, just to make it look amazing, because, you know, we love looking at amazing things. Am I right? Or am I right? See? See how rounded that is? It's pretty rounded. I'm not going to make it that rounded, because it's not that cool. But, okay, and then what you can do here is you can just put a bunch of text labels. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a text label at the top, and then do background color is like a darker blue. And then you can do the same exact thing with text labels. You can also add UI corners in them, which is actually pretty cool. I'm glad that you can do that, just to make it super nice, because, you know, we like seeing nice. So I'm just gonna do text color white, and then text scaled, and then I'm just gonna do player 1, and then duplicate the text label. Is it gonna let me? Okay. It did let me, it just didn't move. Okay, player 1, and then we're gonna shout out with player 2, because why not? You know, player 2's gotta be credited in there too. Did you see what I did there? And then we're just gonna make this one say player 3. Cool. There you go. That's credits GUI. Just put all your names in there. It doesn't have to be that big like that, but that's what you'd have to do in this case. And this one, I'm just gonna name it frame 2. So, frame, and then 2. Frame 2 credits GUI. And there is one thing you want to do, and that's that you want to make sure that you add a text button. And you want to make sure you put a text button somewhere in the GUI. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to get out. And no one doesn't want to get out. So, we're going to do text scaled, and I'm going to type an X. Okay, that's all I'm going to do, and I'm just going to make the text color nice and red. There you go, button. Boom. And then I'm going to name the text button, name it, actually I can just, nope. Alright, I'm going to do, name text button, exit button, because why not? So, after you click the exit button, it's going to bring you back to the frame, and then you can click play if you'd like. So, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the local script, and we're going to have to put these way down here, and we're going to do local frame 2 equals, not frame, equals script dot parent dot frame 2, and boom, done. Okay, and then we're gonna do local exit button, frame. It does not need to be that complicated, honestly, but I mean, why not? So frame 2 dot exit button. No, exit button's good enough for now. Okay, and there we go. So once you click the credits button, it's going to do frame.visible equals false. So it won't be visible to anyone. But then it'll also equal frame2.visible equals true. Wow. And there you go. That's all here. That's really all that is to that script. And then we're gonna have to do it one more time. So if I just put that up there so it doesn't look crappy, we're gonna do exit button dot mouse button 1 up once again, connect connect function. I'm gonna put those two little parentheses there. Click enter, and then we're gonna do frame2.visible equals false and frame.visible equals true. So basically, the first one up here, if you click the play button, it's just gonna make the frame invisible. Okay, the credits over here will make the frame invisible, but it'll make frame 2 or the credits GUI true. And then with that open, if they click on the exit button, it will make frame 2 visible, that false once again, and make the frame visible again. Normally I would make it so it just closes the GUI, but nope, it's gonna bring us back. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make this invisible, and I'm gonna click on the frame, and I'm gonna make the frame visible because, you know, the frame's gotta have some love. And we're gonna start the game, and we're gonna check it out because why not? So as you see here, if we click the play button, wait for it to load, because, you know, Roblox takes a while to load sometimes. And here we go. If we click credits, boom, there you go. You can see all the credits, and if you click this button right here, it brings us right back to here. And then switch, and then if we click play, we're done. And I believe if we reset, does it? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It would have shown up by now. Oh, maybe it does. It does show up. Okay, cool. Alright, so yeah, so if you reset, the GUI will pop back up, which is amazing, and I think that's really cool. So there you go. That's how you make a play screen with credits. So thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, basically make sure to like and subscribe, and also I am sorry for not uploading in a while. I haven't had the time to. I've been really busy lately, let's just say that, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, which is pretty soon, because I already have a video scheduled for that date. So have a great day, guys.